Alright, so our first impressions of Iceland. Very efficient airport, very quiet airport also. The most peaceful one I've ever been to personally. It's a beautiful sunny day, which might be the only sunny day of the entire time we'll be here, so we are doing the max. We're gonna go see Kerid crater, Faxi, Gullfoss, Geyser, Gullfoss, and Thingvellir before we head back to our apartment. So we're ready for a great day in Iceland. So we're here at Kerid crater.
It's our first stop of the day.
Our very first stop in Iceland is Kerid Crater Lake, and it costs you 400 kronas per person. That's 12 years and under is free though. And I guess you could spend at least an hour going around the crater on the top and around the lake at the bottom. I liked it. Would you recommend it? Yeah. It's a beautiful blue lake, a clear lake, and nice trail around. So yeah, come and see Kerid.
We finally made it to Iceland. We had bought tickets to come in June. Guess which company? Wow Air, which went bankrupt. We're now August 15th, and we're able to get tickets with Air Canada.
What do you think about Kerid Crater Lake?
It's nice.
Yeah.
On Kerid crater.
It was nice. It wasn't like spectacular. Like I wouldn't go out of my way to see it, but like it's right on the side of the road, so if you're passing by, you should definitely stop and see.
Second stop, we have Faxi waterfall. It's going to be a big first day.
We are not going to be eating a lot at restaurants on this trip because it is expensive, but we spent the night on the airplane and we want to hit 8 different places today. So we actually ate here at the Faxi waterfall restaurant anyway. Brianna and I had some Icelandic soup that was delicious, and John had a hamburger. It was delicious, and what can we say? A restaurant with a view is hard to beat.
So what's fun about here is that the parking is 700, but if you eat at the restaurant for more than 2,000, the parking is free. They credit you the parking.
about $8 Canadian.
My impression of the geysers, I don't know what to say. Brianna says they were overcrowded. There was one geyser that within 20 minutes erupted 3 or 4 times. Me and Brianna got wet. Pretty funny.
So what just
Spray
happened?
just came all back down on us. But I think if you've seen Yellowstone National
Really?
Park in the States, or if you've been there, not that it's disappointing, it's just Yellowstone is something else, and I don't think it's comparable. But still nice to visit. Okay, so my impressions of Gullfoss. It's a nice big waterfall, beautiful waterfall. Too many people though. It's one of the big touristy stops on the, I think they call it the Golden Circle. There must have been maybe 10 tour buses, and the parking lot was full. So it was just jam-packed with people. I'd recommend more Faxi waterfall. Smaller, but you can get close to it. There was 4 or 5 people when we went, and nice little restaurant that we could eat. And yeah, a lot quieter, that one. I'd say out of the two, the Faxi was the one I preferred. How's the day been going, Brie?
I'm tired. My hair, as you can see, was not put in a ponytail, braids, or anything. So it's kind of knotted a little bit. Yeah.
Big day.
Big day.
All said, it's been a long day. I didn't sleep, I don't think 20 minutes on the plane. It's been a long day. We just stopped at a grocery store. Karen's gone to pick up some groceries, and now we're going after that to the apartment.